In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. This is an exciting opportunity for those of you looking to integrate cutting-edge AI tools into your daily workflow to maximize efficiency and creativity. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to harness the power of Gemini AI seamlessly within your Google Workspace environment. So, let's get started. First, let's navigate to your dashboard. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you're logged in. Once there, look for the section labeled Generative AI. This is where all the magic begins. You'll notice an option for Gemini for Workplace. Go ahead and click on that. It's important to remember that Gemini AI is specifically designed to be seamlessly integrated into your existing workspace tools, so it makes day-to-day tasks a lot more intuitive and efficient. Next, you'll see several features under Gemini listed as Alpha. This means they're early access features that you can start playing around with immediately. To use them, you'll need to turn them on. Simply select the features you want to experiment with by toggling them on. Remember that alpha features are still in development, so they might not be perfect just yet. However, testing them out gives you a unique opportunity to provide feedback and help improve these tools. Don't hesitate to explore what each feature has to offer, as this could lead to new ways of streamlining your work processes. Once you've selected your preferred features, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save option, usually found towards the bottom or top of your screen, and click it. Saving these settings ensures that Gemini AI will be ready to work with those particular features the next time you access your Google Workspace. It's a simple step, but it's essential for making sure everything you've configured works as intended. Before you start integrating Gemini AI actively into your daily tasks, take a moment to explore some practical use cases. Think about how AI can assist with automating routine tasks or enhancing your creative projects. The possibilities are vast, and by tailoring the features to meet your specific needs, you can significantly increase your productivity. With everything set up, you're ready to explore the potential of Gemini AI integrated with Google Workspace. In the coming days, try out different tasks and see how the AI adapts to your working style. You might be surprised at how much it can enhance your workflow, save time, and perhaps even introduce new ways of thinking about your projects. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Remember to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks, and feel free to leave your thoughts or questions in the comment section below. Enjoy your journey with Gemini AI and Google Workspace.